welcome to another video. Not really running out of ideas, we're just having idle moments. And I thought I'd just talk about something a bit topical that's happening in Cambodia. From the end of August, I think, the Cambodian government has decided that the beer prizes, which are printed on the underside of tabs on some beers and some soft drinks, are going to stop by the end of August. So what I did was I conducted a mini unscientific survey where it was a case of 24 Cambodia blue beers with prices and listed them all, and then did a short calculation. All the calculation and etc. and description are in the description of this video. But anyway, so enjoy. Just see what you think of it. I tried to use the simplest calculation I could think of. There are a few ways of calculating this. See what you come up with. I don't mind. Go to the description, you can see my working out. If you want to work it out a different way, you do so. I'm not bothered. Doesn't matter to me. It roughly saves, the prizes save you about 30%. So, in my unscientific, unstatistic calculation. So that's all I'm going to say for this. A very, very short video. Read the description, look at the calculation. I mean, the beer is ridiculously cheap anyway. At full price, it's about 58 cents for a 330ml can. That's American dollars. Everything's in American dollars. I might as well do it in dollars because although I'm used to English pounds, it doesn't really make any difference. The Cambodians use the dollar and the real interchangeably. So that's all for now. So, bye-bye. Well, I hope you liked the short video. If you did, then just press the like, subscribe, notify, whatever you want to press. Whether I ever get to that 1,000 subscriber level, I'll not know. We're at about 790 or something, I don't know what we're at. Anyway, but done my best. Okay. Bye-bye for now.